Today is day 4 for my Bonne Maman advent calendar. Let's see what's behind door number 4. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So here's door number 4. It is on the left-hand side of the calendar in the middle row. Let's open it up. And this says, stay warm and cozy. And what do we have inside? We have orange yuzu grapefruit spread. This flavor was in the advent calendar for 2022, and at that time I made a chicken waffle with it. This is what it looks like. Let's refresh my memory. It's definitely like a marmalade, like an orange grapefruit marmalade. I have some canned salmon. This is from Trader Joe's. It is their wild Alaskan pink salmon, skinless, boneless, no salt added. And I thought I would make some salmon cakes with this. I think they would go really well with the citrusy fruit spread. Salmon is a fatty fish, so it's nice to have a more acidic element to offset the fattiness of the fish. Here's the canned salmon after I drained it and I flaked it with a fork. I'm adding an egg to help bind it together. I'm also adding a 1/4 cup of rolled oats. And I love Old Bay seasoning on seafood, so I'm going to be adding some of this. And let's mix this all together. I'm using the oats for their texture and also to help bind this. Here's the mixture. I actually kind of split it in half, so I'm hoping to make 2 little salmon cakes with the Dash Mini Griddle. Here's my Dash Mini Griddle. I just plugged it in. Once the blue light goes off, then we are ready to start cooking. The blue light just went off. Now I could have shaped this into like a patty shape, but I figured that the Dash Mini Griddle would kind of do it for me. And so here is the salmon patty. Let's shut this and let this cook, I don't know, for like 5 minutes. It's been about 6 minutes. Let's see what's going on here. And there's our salmon cake. I think it looks really good. Let's flip it. That's what the bottom looks like. Now I'm going to cook the other one, and this one I already shaped into a patty. While that second one is cooking, let's taste this first one. Just going to cut a little piece out of it. It's really good. I like how the oatmeal adds some chewiness to it. Gives it almost like more of a kind of like a ground beef texture, if that makes any sense. I want to add a little bit of butter to this because I love melted butter with seafood. So this would be good with some vegetables as a side dish, or this would also be really good as a sandwich on some toast with a pickle on the side. Now let's put some of the fruit spread on it. This will give it a little bit of sweetness and some tang from the citrus. Let's try it. That is so good. The citrusy fruit spread totally elevates this salmon patty, the salmon cake, whatever we want to call it, and adding the butter. I mean, I just love the taste of like melted butter with seafood. So I have like so many delicious flavors going on right now. That is so good. Remember that a lot of people like to have lemon with fish. So this orange yuzu grapefruit spread is kind of like acting like adding lemon to this, but it also adds some sweetness too. So delicious with the butter and the fruit spread. And if I wanted to make this again, but I did not have this exact fruit spread, I could use some orange marmalade. I could use some grapefruit marmalade. I could use any kind of citrus marmalade really, and it would just work wonderfully. And so that's how easy it is to make some salmon cakes in the Dash Mini Griddle. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment below if you'd like to see what else we can make with the fruit spreads. in this Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Thanks so much for watching. Have a very happy holiday season.